Many students have a trouble remembering things. If we are not able to perform well in competitive exams, it's only because we are not able to recall everything on the day of the exam. So friends, today I'm going to tell you one technique that will definitely give you an edge over other students. Hi, I am Dr. Himanshu Gupta and I had secured a rank of 62 in NEET PG 2018. So today I am going to tell you about this technique which I have named as the wall technique. Many of you must be knowing about this technique, but the only problem was that you never followed this technique properly. So what is this wall technique? According to this wall technique, what you will do is that you will make 5 to 10 sticky notes every day. 5 to 10 sticky notes every day, and you will paste those sticky notes on the wall that is just in front of your table, and you are going to read those sticky notes daily. Now how you will make those sticky notes? Suppose you are reading 5 to 8 hours daily. What you will do, every hour you will make just one sticky note. That one sticky note can comprise of 10 important points that you have read during that 1 hour, or if you have read around 5 to 10 subtopics, you can write 1 point from every subtopic. If you are reading pharmacology, it can be a classification of the drugs. You can write the name of those drugs, and if those drugs have any special side effects or any other special things, you can write those things also. If you are reading anatomy, it can be the nerve supply of various muscles, the various embryological arches. So this way you can write whatever you want. Whatever is there in the notes is definitely important. Whatever that you cannot remember, you can always write down on a sticky note, and once you practice it gradually, you will come to know what are the things that I have to write down. Many students have trouble following this technique because they don't know what you have to write on that sticky note. You write anything. You can start from marrow pearls only. If you follow this technique continuously for next 100 days, friends, you will end up pasting 500 sticky notes on the wall, and it will cover half of your wall. Friends, I used this technique during my NEET PG preparation, and I ended up making around 500 sticky notes, and almost around 40 to 50 questions directly came from my sticky notes. And you know, I had read those sticky notes more than 50 times. Most of you don't follow this technique because you have followed this technique in the past, in your school days, in your college days. And what you did was that whenever you pasted a sticky note, you never read that thing. It's in our mind that whatever we paste on the wall, we are never going to read that thing again. So that one thing, my dear friends, is what we are going to change. What I did was that whenever I used to wake up, be it 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock or 9 o'clock, the first thing in the morning that I did was that I read my sticky notes. Even if it would take me around half an hour or 1 hour to read those sticky notes, I would definitely read those sticky notes. And this is also the thing that you will do. You will read your sticky notes the first thing in the morning, and you can begin from the first day itself. Even if you have made around 10 to 20 or 30 sticky notes, you can start reading your sticky notes from the first day itself. The problem with having a notebook and writing all those things down is that we never open the notebook also, but it's definitely easy to read your wall that is just in front of your study table. Besides reading those sticky notes the first thing in the morning, what I used to do is that whenever I used to take a break, I used to have a look at those sticky notes. When I was tired of reading, I used to have a look at those sticky notes. Even if I'm eating something or you are having a small lunch, you can look at those sticky notes. And friends, after 100 days, what will happen is that there will be some points that you have read not just 5 or 6 times, but there will be some things that you have read almost 100 times. Friends, start following this technique from today itself. If you want to improve your score in Grand Test, if you want to improve your score in NEET PG, friends, follow this technique and you will see the magic happen.